back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is a very high paying job lead, but it is still in the customer support field, which has me very excited. So we will not waste any time. We will dive on in. Just know the links to everything I share are in the description box below. And if you never want to miss another upload from me, make sure you are subscribed. Today's job lead is from the company Planet. Now, Planet designs, builds, and operates the largest constellation of imaging satellites in history. So they are very technical bound, and they are hiring the customer service representative to work on the tech side. Now, this is for my United States folks only, but their customer support representative will be responsible for assisting with inbound support requests from Planet customers, partners, and field teams. This includes handling the administrative issues, assigning technical issues, and having the appropriate technical support engineer. So you'll provide support to the Planet customers via email, phone, chat, or in person as necessary, it says, so I don't know that they do very much in-person meeting. You'll have to meet and exceed performance-based indicators. You'll be responsible for dispatching inbound requests for technical support. You'll provide assistance for administrative requests such as password reset, user management, and sales opportunities. So you'll help build relationships with the partners and the engineering team. Now, if that sounds like something you can do, they only require 1 year experience working as a customer support representative or similar role. They would like 1 year experience in handling technical issues or the ability to understand how these issues impact customers. They do want somebody who has some kind of experience with ticketing systems such as Zendesk, Jira, or other ticketing systems. Someone who has great communication skills, the ability to maintain a professional demeanor, someone who can work as a team player, and they do require a bachelor degree in computer science, engineering, or equivalent combination of technical education and work experience. Now, if this sounds like something that is for you, the pay range for this position is rather large. It starts anywhere from $60,000 a year, but goes all the way up to $122,000 a year. So please make sure you negotiate that salary because they have it budgeted to pay up to $122,000. For a customer support role, that is amazing. They also offer standard benefit packages such as health plans, 401k, all of those things. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, as I'm always reading those and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.